Okay guys, so I'm attempting to install, yes I said attempting to install this winch on my truck. This is a 5,000 pound winch from Harbor Freight. Badland 5,000 pound. It's mainly for ATVs, but anyways it should work for what I'm gonna do. So the first step is basically to take out the bumper. This is a 94 F150. It's attached, the bumper is attached with 4 screws. You might have a different setup, but basically what I'm trying to do is put the winch right here in this area. So I have to, this is where the bumper hooks up to. So now I gotta figure out a way to mount it right here. This is the plate for the winch. So basically this is gonna have to sit around here like so. So this is the solenoid right here. You got 4 cables coming out of it. Everything is supplied in the box. You have the red cable, which it goes to power. It's got circuit breakers right here. I have it just hooked up right here like that. The ground, the black cable, I have it hooked up here momentarily. And then you have yellow that goes to one side of the motor, and then blue, which is marked also here. Then it goes over here. Then there's a switch in and out. Basically everything is self-explanatory. Whoop, that was not supposed to happen. Alright, anyway, so in and out. It's a pretty fast motor. Got a lot of power too. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. This is a bracket that goes in here. It goes in here like that. So I had to cut a notch like that. This is the other bracket that I also have to cut. And the reason that I'm cutting it is because this is gonna go in here like so, right? And if I don't cut it, it was just going to hit in here. This piece I also have to trim right here. I have to cut this section right here. Once I put it in, it should go in like that. This is a 3-inch angle iron. It's a shame that it's not a 1/4 of an inch, but anyways, this bracket is not even, it's only 1/8 of an inch, so this should be fine. Okay, so this is it. I finished everything. I decided to purchase the wireless remote. This is what it came with, a 12-foot controller. I put the wireless box in here. I have it attached here. Supposedly it goes 50 feet. So we're gonna test that out right now. That's it right there. So let's walk back. It's about 40 feet right there. So let's go in. Oh, look at that. It's working. Let's go further back. And it works. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my cousin with the white truck. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer it. You guys take care. Also, I know you guys want to see this thing in action, so I will be posting another video soon, so you can see what this thing can actually do.